Okay, so let's start the lecture today, and let's put the let's see the coding part today. Like we are going to discuss today the some of the important coding part. So moreover, this coding is going to be very nice code, right? You can say in term of your interview purpose, these codes are very really helpful, right? So let's see the code one by one. So let me tell you one first of the first code. Let me teach you, right? So the first code is that about to count of the string. Okay? So basically, what is happening here? Let's say you have some string and you have to count, how many times one string is one character is happening. Let's say if I will say A B C D, you can say, right. So in this scenario, what is going to be happen? A is coming, you can say A is coming twice, right? Similarly, you can say B is coming. You can count it up like you can B is coming 5 times, right? So you can say like this, like C is coming 1 times, right? So like that you can say B is coming 1 times, right? So what is happening? So this is the scenario, right? Let's write a code. First of all, we will define a function. We will call the count string, right? We can take string as yes, right? Then we can after that we need to since we need to give the count along with the your actual string actual character, so we need to define an input dictionary. So let's say I will take input dictionary, right? Now I will use the for loop, because for loop, why I'm saying, because for I in yes, and exactly I'm looking at those sentences in that again, if those sentences is in your dictionary, right. So again, like it is kind of matching things, right? If it is matching in yes and dictionary, that means the count of dictionary, basically the you can say the value of dictionary should move ahead, right? So you can say takes you can take I, right? You can take one. Makes sense to you, right? If it is not happening, then simply what you will say takes I, you can simply say one. That's all, right? So that's all the criteria is here so far. Ah, okay, so this is the scenario, right? Dix I plus one, and then dictionary of I equal to dictionary of I plus one, right? So this is what scenario exactly it is. So if it is perfect, then you can return your result, right? What is your return? Return is nothing but dictionary, right? The whole dictionary will come in front. Now you need to get the result, right? So what are the result you will take? Like you can take count of. mm so you can take count of. You can take count of a string, right? So you can take str, and then you can take some string like data science, robotics, AI, right? AI. You can say Japan, America, you can say BMW, Audi, like this. You can say, right? So Japan and America, you can say, right? So now the main concern is that you are going to print the result, right? Now, even though you can take this string from the user, so how will you take this user? Very simple funda. What you need to do, you need to declare the input equal to, you can take str, right? Input, you can take like this, enter your string value, okay? Slash m, okay? So like that you can take. So this input you are going to put here, right? That's exactly what you want to do. Okay. I hope it makes sense to you, right? Now you are ready to run this code, right? So let's do the some experiment. So okay, let me select this. So yeah, it's going to be very, very interesting code, guys. Just wait. For loop we are using for question. That is, let's say string is what? ABCD. So what you will get? So you will get like this: A, B, C, and D. All it should work. Nothing is coming. Okay. I think we are on a wrong track, I guess. Simply you can do one things. You can take instead of input, you can take uh, ABCD, data, science. You can say AI, you can say robot, you can say rat, anything you can take, right? And now you can store it ahead. So now you're able to see the answers coming, right? So that's all. I believe you are able to get this point. Okay, so I think we can move ahead. That's not an issue. Check the prime number. Okay, let's do the another code. That's very interesting code we have in front of us. Check the prime number. Okay. So how will you check the number is prime? First of all, you will define the number is prime. Okay, you will define the prime. Okay, just guys, give me 2 minutes. Yeah. So let me. So I believe we are going to. I believe we are on the right track, right? So like we have to find the number is prime or not. So what we need to do first of all, we are taking the parameter. Those parameter is p, and then so yeah. So first of all, let me explain you what is exactly that. How do you deal with the prime numbers? So it is nothing but the number that is divisible by one, or like you are considering by another number that is rectified. Like you can take like five. Five is a number which is divisible by itself, right? But you can't divide by two or three, right? On the other hand, if you can take 15, on the other hand, if you can take 15, so 15 you can take, right? Yeah, you can take 15, and then you scenario. 15 is going to be like 3 and 5, like that, right? So I hope everybody is getting to here, right? So no doubt it about. Okay, so let's move ahead, and I believe the next part is that type to implement the algorithm. That's also let's see this algorithm, how we deal with this algorithm. So we are defining the prime number p, and then we are trying to include the like conditions, right? So what is exactly happening with this situation? You take for loop for I each, and then you can take length of you can take. Basically, why I'm taking the length of two because that I need to just go by the- So I think this is what it is far better. Please take it. Okay. Yeah, yeah, that's completely fine. So I in range length of v. That means if you're taking any number, prime number. But again, I think sorry. Let me see here. You can take uh, you can say you have to take some 0.05 for a concept. The prime number is there. Then we have to consider the integer value of this number, right? In star 0.5. And then you are considering -1. So that's what that and the number for the start from we can say if this criteria is matching, then your job is done. So, but one more condition you can take, like if T is less than equal to 9, then what we will do, we will just let's say return because you know very well the less than one number is not always not a prime number. So basically, that is not a good criteria. Yeah. So yeah, that's all. And I think that for like the taking for height range, okay. Mm. Yeah, correct. So this is far better because if it is happening and if you can say your number p is divisible by I equal to 0, let's say like this, what you will get, you need to return false again because that number should be not divisible by p. So you should return if this condition is not in, then you should return. Now you can take your you can call your result say your prime number and you can take like any number you can consider. Like I would like to take 1 to 10. Let's check this result if it is working or not. So that is going to be a very good idea so far. Okay, so let's do this. So I believe 1 2 3. Okay, what is the error is coming? Okay, it's saying p is less than equal to 1, return false if p is less than equal to 1. At which line number it is exactly error we are getting? Float object cannot be integer and integer. Okay, so let's check this. I think we are making some mistake here. Yeah, that's completely fine. I think I believe